Hey, we're going to Buffalow Family and Friends. We're excited about this event. We love doing this every year. We're about to feed seniors in the community for Thanksgiving. Less fortunate, most of our team, we're here. We're able to actually give back. So that's something that's near and dear to us. And we're super excited about this moment.
I want to thank the Reed Group for coming on out to assist us and volunteering today.
Love that we get the opportunity to come out here and serve and give back to the community, especially in times like this when, you know, a lot of us take for granted what we have and, you know, what we are able to do. So giving back is awesome for me.
We're getting meals ready. We're serving over 5,000 hot meals to the community. Not only just, you know, people in need, but our veterans. We're getting everybody. If they needed a meal, they're going to get it from Buffalow Family and Friends. And we're here packaging everything up. So this is where you come in. Your referrals got us out here today to help us be able to give back to these folks in need. So refer us every chance you get because it is going back to the community here in Hampton Roads. Till next time.